them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
My viewers and subscribers, man, I don't know what's a New Link there from New Link Productions. So right about now, people, John Star have some really sad news to talk about, and it's the passing of a top Jamaican male dancer, people. And this dancer is a dancer when New Link always watch back in 2011, 2010, 2009, people. And may I tell you, say, yo, only just season he knows. Well, it's about the passing, people, of popular Jamaican male dancer who goes by the nickname Tippa. Yeah, man, and everybody must know Tippa because back in 2011, 2010, Tippa was on Intense, and everybody must remember Intense that was on CVM TV when you have a girl used to host it named Pepita, and Tippa used to be doing a little dancing segment where I show her some move and them something, but eventually in 2011 she did get outcast off the show, and so in the finish this about Tippa is a dancer, people, who come in several different music videos, was in a ads for Red Label Wine, and in a several different other stuff. And he was on Rising Star also doing a lot of gigs and thing. You know what I mean? A couple of years ago. So it's just sad, and they say what has killed this man is cancer. You understand? It is alleged that his cancer was the cause of his death, and because they say he was ailing for a couple months now, people, and he died yesterday, Tuesday, in the hospital in Kingston. So it's just sad, and just hope, you know, his legacy lives on, because I have seen where so much of our great Jamaican dancers, musicians has passed away, and you know, people will talk about them for maybe this month, the other month, but soon after it's like they never exist. You know, let this man legacy live on, because nobody was recently talking about him like that, to be honest with you. And it not even did come to my attention that this man was even sick. You know, so it's just sad to know that, you know, he has gone. And, you know, it just, wow, a sad feeling. So, I don't know the thing of people. Tippa, rest in peace and dance in heaven, bro. Because as I see people was making some comments, and they were saying, back from in December to November, they see a post, a lot of posts, and talking about God and encouraging people to put God first and everything. But in life, we should put God first in every stage, every day of our life. You understand? Not just in the time when we know, so we really need God, because we need God every day. So if we put God first every day, every move we make, every step we make, because God is the true king, and He is the ruler, and He is the leader. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is New Link from New Link Production. Just giving you a quick update. You don't know the thing of people. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe now, and remember to hit that notification bell icon so a New Link drop the video, you will get them. You don't know people, counting down. Them said 30 days. Now we are on 29 days. Waiting, because we getting back up there. Attack them. Thank you. Enough love, enough respect. Rest in peace, Tippa. Peace out.
What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.